Hi and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm here with a recipe of a white lemon pickle using preserved lemons. It's very simple and yummy. So let's start. See, here I'm having 10 lemons which has been sliced and salted. The color has changed. It's because I have preserved it for a month. So now it's very soft and salty. But you can make this pickle by preserving it for about 20 to 25 days. Now guys, if you would like to know in detail the step-by-step method of lemon preparation, then just click the link above of my lemon and dates pickle. The link is also given in the description box below. Before we go ahead with the preparation, let's have a look at the rest of our ingredients. Black mustard, half tablespoon. Turmeric powder, quarter teaspoon. Fenugreek powder, quarter teaspoon. Asafoetida, 1 tablespoon. Dry red chili, 3 deseeded. Sugar, half tablespoon or as needed. Vinegar, quarter cup. Here I am using normal white vinegar. Coconut oil or gingerly oil, quarter cup. Here I am using coconut oil. Garlic cloves sliced, 10. Ginger sliced, medium. Green chili sliced, 3. Curry leaves, few. Now let's heat oil in a kadai. Our oil is hot enough, so now let's add in our mustard seeds and wait for it to splutter. It's spluttering. Now let's add in our dry red chilies. Further, a sliced ginger, a garlic and our green chilies. Mix it very well. Now let's drop in our curry leaves. I like to use curry leaves more because it gives good flavor. It smells so good. Now it's time to add in all our spices. For this I am going to add turmeric powder, then goes in our fenugreek powder, then our asafoetida. Give it a good mix. Now I am going to add in our lemon, combine well. Now I am going to add in our white vinegar, the normal white vinegar. Now let's drop in our final ingredient, the sugar. This is just to balance. Here I am using half tablespoon, but if you need you can add more. I am not going to add salt because this has been already salted. And let's bring to a boil. I am turning off the flame. Let's cool it down to room temperature. Now it's all set to transfer this pickle into an airtight container. You can start using this pickle the day you get it ready. I'm sure you guys will love this recipe. So do share with your friends, and if you have not yet subscribed, to my channel, then do subscribe and support me. Love you all.